Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Hey, I'm Netta. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I created a slime Halloween set featuring a vampire nail. So if that interests you, please continue to watch. I already applied my tips and I wiped down all of my nails with some 91% alcohol. This is the builder gel that I will be using for today. Everything that I show in this video will be linked in the description box. All right, so let's get into the builder gel application. I purchased this builder gel from Shein. I did show it in previous videos, however, it was a different color. So I ended up ordering a more neutral color because I really enjoyed the builder gel. I like to apply a thin layer of builder gel before I go in with a thicker layer to build up my apex and the strength of my nails. When using builder gel, just make sure that you're floating it down the nail. That's really the only way that I can describe how to use it. Just make sure that you're floating it down the nail. Don't brush it like you're brushing on gel polish. Hopefully that makes sense. After I have applied my second layer of builder gel, I always turn my nail upside down to help gravity, or to have gravity help me to self-level the builder gel. Now again, this builder gel is not the best with self-leveling, but I found that when I turned my nail upside down, it really helped. So I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy the rest of my builder gel application, and I will be back when it's time to shape and file. Hey, are you subscribed yet? If not, please consider doing so. It's free 99. My builder gel application is all set. It looks okay. I, again, enjoyed this builder gel and I would recommend. After curing my nails for 60 seconds, I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer to prep for my shaping and filing. I took out my Melody Susie dust collector to help mitigate some of the dust in my house or in my room. I use the same panna files in each video. I mainly stick to the 80/80 or 60/60 grit for shaping. And when I go over the nail, I usually will use an 100 or 180, I think that's how you call it, file to go over and smooth out the nail. I also go in with my E-file using a 80 grit sanding band. I go around my cuticle area and I just try to smooth everything out. I do go back in one more time with a regular file to perfect my stiletto shape. What's your favorite nail shape? Mine will always be the stiletto shape. I feel like because my nails are so chunky, the stiletto shape just makes them look long and sleek. So I will most likely use a stiletto shape, but I also like the coffin shape as well. What is your favorite shape? My filing and shaping is all done. I washed my hands off of camera. Now let's get into the design portion of this video. I'm going to go over each nail with a matte top coat. I know some people use a base coat to kind of even out their nails, but I really like using a matte top coat. I feel like it just gives me a nice velvety soft surface so that I can do any type of artwork that I want to do. I hope that you guys are enjoying your week so far. My week is going to be a short week because Monday was a holiday. Did you guys celebrate Columbus Day? I took out this clear builder gel that I purchased from Temu a long time ago. I placed it on a palette so that I can make my custom slime. Now this process became very, very messy. The lime green powder ended up flying everywhere. It just was just a mess. But anyway, I ended up mixing in the lime green powder with the builder gel, which made a nice slime builder gel. I then took out this eyeshadow palette that I purchased from BH Cosmetics a long time ago, and I used the black to smoke around my thumb and pinky nail. It gave the nail a nice little gothic feel, which I really liked. After I finished putting the black around my pinky nail and thumb, I ended up taking out a gel polish from Model 1's, a black one, and I used it to create a ombre nail. I then went over each nail with another matte top coat. I wanted to seal in my smoke effect so that I can prepare for my slime design. When putting on any polish over chrome or powder, just make sure that you're floating the polish over the nail. You do not want to have swipe lines going through your smoke detail. When doing my slime drips, I first went in with some dots around the nail, and then I kind of just freestyled it. You'll have to watch the video to figure out how I did it. It's really simple. It wasn't that difficult. I then went in with a short liner brush to kind of drag the builder gel to make it look like it was dripping. I really loved how this came out. I did the same design on my pinky nail. Hey, it's me again. Are you subscribed? If not, please consider doing so. Also, follow me on all of my social medias and like and comment if you've enjoyed this video so far. And like I said before, it's free 99. After I have finished creating my slime effect, I do take out some 4D solid gels or hard gels. I don't know exactly what the technical name for these gels are. I take out a black one and a white one so that I could start molding my vampire mouth. I did go in with a red gel polish first so that I could have the effect of the inside of the mouth, if that makes any sense. And then I go in with pieces of white so that I could start sculpting the teeth. I thought I was in frame for a lot of this, but obviously I was not. So bear with me. I wanted my vampire's lips to be black, so I went in with this black gel to create the top and the bottom lip. I really do like using this 4D gel. Silicone tools and this metal cuticle pusher tool are typically my best friend when I am trying to mold anything onto my nails using this 4D hard gel. I want to add a little dimension to the teeth, so I take out a brown from Model 1s with a thin and short liner brush, and I just kind of brush over the teeth a little bit just to give the teeth a little dimension. I then go in with my Builder Gel slime color, and I make slime drips all around the lips and the nail. For my middle finger, I went over the whole nail with a red polish, same polish that I used for the inside of the mouth. And then I went over the whole nail with a red glitter polish, also from Model 1s, before adding some black flowers and black stones to the top portion of the nail. I adhered all of the stones to my nails with my famous, beloved McCart Rhinestone glue. All of my charms and stones I typically get from Temu or Shein. If I can find them and they are still available, I will link them below. For my next nail, I am going to be drawing a ghost. Very straightforward, just a plain white ghost with black eyes and a black mouth. I did use the Melody Susie white gel polish, and I did 2 layers just to make sure that the white was opaque. Of course, you know I had to add some charms to this nail as well as some rhinestones. I wanted to keep most of my nails matte. However, I did go over the slime, the mouth, and the red nail. Oh, and the ghost with a shiny top coat. Lastly, I went in with my cuticle oil because, as you can see, my hands and cuticles were drier than the Sahara Desert. So you guys let me know, how do you like the set? If you like it and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than